Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's continue our work. So, where were we? Okay, let's see. Last time we started to use turtle graphics. We're enjoying it, right? We learned to draw lines and then turning left. Okay. So the homework was continue to draw an equilateral triangle. Okay, it's something like this, right? Okay, so you know what the angle here is. Okay, so let's continue. So this is what we have. Open ex2, connect, and run the first box, pip install, and then let's remember where we were. So we learned to initialize turtle, going forward, left, forward, left. Thus, we drew a square. Okay, good. Then the homework was continue to draw an equilateral triangle, regular triangle. So let's see. Turn right at the end. So we did this four times. Draw and right. We did it 4 times. That's this. And then continue. So maybe we can just continue. Yeah. Size is maybe same. So okay, let's write here. T dot forward 200. And then what is the angle? Okay, left. Yeah, you know that. It's 120. Right. And copy this 2 times because what we want is a triangle. We need 3 edges. Okay, let's run this. So, okay, yeah, fine. So maybe like this. Okay, because at the end of last drawing, the turtle was looking down, looking toward south. So because we had this, if we don't have this, okay, let's see the difference. If we don't have this, okay, then the square writing will end with the turtle heading toward east. And then if we continue, the triangle will be, okay, let's have. Then the triangle will be on this position, okay? So it really depends on the turtle is, the orientation is which direction at the end of last operation, okay? So let's go on to today's work. Draw squares using function. Okay, let's follow me. Draw a square using for loop. So you noticed that we are doing this one 4 times. So maybe we can do it by using loop. Okay, so we just delete everything here and we want to do it 4 times. So it's like this. And then, okay, select these regions and tab. Okay, this is enough. Let's take a look. Initialize. Okay. Oh, great. So this is what we want. And this time, the turtle is toward north, because it turns left at the end. Okay, so fine. Define a function to draw a square. Oh, this is the first time to draw a square. So to do that, maybe we copy this first line down to a new cell. And then defining a function can be done by like this: keyword def, and maybe square function name square, and write the same thing. Okay, for I in range 4 column and 2 indentations. Okay, T forward 200, T left 90. Okay, so this is the function. And actually, by only defining a function will do nothing. So we need to call the function. That will be the this. Okay, so this will define a function and call it once. So it will do the same. Very good. Okay, so draw a square and turn right. Repeat this 4 times. Okay, so good. So let's try this. Draw a function. Now we did it, and turn right. Repeat this 4 times. So maybe we again have this and make a new box. Initialize the screen. And what does it say? Draw a square and turn right. Repeat this 4 times. So again, this time for I, maybe we can change different names. J, range 4, or we can use the same. Okay, square. And then what? That turn right. Okay, 90 degrees. So this is what it does. Okay, let's take a look at how it will come out. Square, turn right, and square. Okay, very slow. And there's some, okay. But anyway, it's working. Good. So this is what we wanted. At the end, the turtle is at the center of this one. So function to draw a square of side length s. So this is variation. We change it to so that we can draw functions of different sizes. So here, maybe we can just change this. So here, in that case, we put what we call parameter. Okay, here, parameter, input parameter. And then instead of 200, we draw a line of length s. Okay, so this is a new function definition. This is all. It will make nothing. Okay, then draw squares with sides 50, 100, 100, 150, 225, and 225. How can we do this? Maybe we can use a new variable x and increment by 50 each time. So, okay, let's do it. Initialize title. We initialize. Now, let's see how it works. So we initialize x by 50 and do it 5 times because we want 5 squares. Each time, draw a square of size x and then increment x by 50. Okay, let's see how it works. So again, that was size 50, 100, 150, 200, okay, and 250. Good, very good. So, good. What's next? Turn right after each call. And at the same time, I felt it was a little too slow, the turtle. We can make it faster by giving a larger number as the parameter of the first one. Okay, so here, let's change it to 5, for example. And then it says turning right after each call. So maybe here we can turn right by 90 degrees. Okay, let's take a look. Then turn right. Okay, a bit different. Okay, so good. Good, even larger. Okay, and then the last one. Fine. Okay, good. You try yourself many evaluations. Okay, that's all for today. Homework. Define a function to draw a triangle, maybe of size s, and then right by 60 degrees after each call. Yeah, please try to do it. And let's see what we have next time. Okay, hope you will come back and I hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me likes. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.